Hi, it's product me NOKIA C12 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the sound section. You'll see here media, coloring, notification and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volumes we should slide to the left or to the right side these blue dots. Okay, if you want to activate it, turn off the don't disturb mode, just click on this button. We could also allow messages, calls, notifications from many people, apps or alarms. We could set the schedule, the start, the end time, to change duration for quick settings, and to display options for hidden notifications. Let's go back. Here we could change phone ringtone for SIM 1, SIM 2 to show the media player, to pin it, and to show media recommendations by click to the switcher. We got here the vibration for call settings. We could change it from always to vibrate to never, to vibrate first then ring gradually. Go back. Here we got default notification and alarm sounds. We could change the tones of notification and alarms, and on dial pad tones we got here the another sound settings. We got here dial pad tones, screen lock and lock sounds, charge and sounds, vibration, touch sounds and touch vibration. So to turn on or turn off all of these options we should use the switchers. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our NOKIA C12. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.